Hey guys, it's your girl London, and I am going to be taking you guys with me throughout my entire day. We are going to do a little Christmas shopping. We're going to go to the malls. So let's go. But first we need a coffee. Okay, y'all, so this is a roasted veggie panini. It is absolutely delicious. And then I've got some roasted potatoes. So delicious. I could smell it. Oh my goodness. And I'm gonna finish it off with a little dessert. I got this peanut butter jelly cheesecake. Looks so good. So yes, I'm ready.
Gonna share some of that food?
It's a vlog takeover. What y'all doing? What y'all up to? What's up, YouTube?
This is in the mall. That's crazy. This is a 26-inch. I was looking at the weed. Y'all, I just got my ring cleaned and it looks so good. Glistening. Y'all, the mall is not giving the vibes that it used to give back in the days. Like, the mall is giving me swap shop vibes. Yeah, I'm about to go to Forever 21 right now, but it's not the same like it was. I'm not sure what I'm looking for just yet, y'all, but I do want like a jogger. I would like to have a jogger set or something similar to that. So we shall. Oh my god, this line is so long. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. Like, y'all see, it feels so good. I can actually make this, so it's not like but it's cute. How much is that? Oh, it's only $17.99. This is cute. I like how it has the slant, the cut at the bottom. It's not just straight. And I also like these little blouses right here. These are hot. These are very much hot for the holidays, y'all. Just so you know. For real. This is so cute. Yes, I like this. With the thigh-high boots. You got to do the boots. And you got to do a little purse. Just so you know. That's how you got to put it together. So we are going to TJ Maxx. TJ Maxx. Y'all, these are so cute. Like, this is a non-west. You got the Steve Madden. These are some cute little gift presents. This is what I came here for. I'm gonna get the London, and I'm gonna get this one. Like I said, y'all got to get this stuff before it's gone because it's so rare that they have it. Look, oh, they even have a Coach. A Coach travel spray set. That's cute. How much is this one? $29.99. So it comes with 3 little, like, travel set sprays. Chloe, how much is this? $60 in here. And this is at TJ Maxx. Marc Jacobs. Like, ooh, this is a nice little Dolce Gabbana. $60 for this one. I might do this one also. I'm upset, y'all, that I didn't get my tennis bracelet.
Yeah.
I'm very much not.
Well, you
happy
had
about
it,
that.
but you had to take it back.
I had to take it back because my wrist is too small, like I told y'all earlier. So I am happy I got my ring cleaned. and I got my earrings, and I got my necklace, but my tennis bracelet sealed the deal, y'all. But hopefully when we go back in February, the lady is gonna be able to custom make the tennis bracelet to fit my wrist. That's the goal, ain't it? That's the goal. That's our goal. So we'll see. I'm gonna let y'all know what happens. But I'm about to go home and eat my salad because I'm starving, and I got a free slim spicy tea or drink, whatever. So I can't wait to eat that and drink my drink. Yo, this is crazy. Little self-moving buses and stuff like that. Y'all, we're about to wrap up this vlog. I'm like literally hanging out of the roof so I can get some footage for you guys, and it is cold out here. Okay guys, I'm going to show you the things that I purchased from TJ Maxx today. The first thing was this Chloe. The scent for this smells so light. It's a very sweet smelling perfume. I love it. It's probably going to be one of my favorites. This is how it looks. I love the little details on it. It reminds me of like a satchel, y'all. Like, I really like this look. Now I'm going to show you the next perfume I purchased. It was the Coach New York. And I kept the box, like I said, so you guys can know which one. And this is the Coach bottle. I really love this smell as well. This is something I'll definitely be wearing for date night. And the final thing I purchased, guys, was this Burberry London. I feel like this is something you should definitely have in your collection. This is like an original, like Burberry scent. I really like the smell of this. Like, it's something that you could wear throughout the day, really. Okay guys, that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun. Like I said before, I'm not really a perfume person, but I'm becoming a perfume person, which is so cool because I got so many little collections over here. I can't wait to fill up the other side of my collection, and I will show you guys once I'm done. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, treasure your family, treasure your time, and most importantly, treasure yourself. Peace.